Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on Google Maps. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Google Maps, click on your profile icon on the top right, and once you're here you should see settings near the bottom, so you just want to tap on there. And then you should see theme near the top, so you just want to click on that. And it will give you three options. So you can turn it on always dark mode, so regardless of your device setup, it'll always stay on dark mode, or you can have it on same as device theme. And once you're happy with the settings, just press save, and that'll change the theme over for you. You can also go to navigation settings and change the display on there as well. So if you click on there and scroll down, you should see map display, and you can obviously change the color scheme to day, night, or automatic. So that's how you can turn on dark mode on Google Maps. Thanks for watching.